Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. You can say Yeti, which of course is on this boat, started the high-end cooler phrase. Well, this boat that we're standing on is responsible for one of the initial parts of the hybrid boat idea. This boat tries to do as much as is humanly possible for your family, for the avid fishermen, and on it goes. This boat can reach out to fish 50 miles out, but it can float along in 16 inches of water and give you access all over the shallow water bays we have in Sarasota, Florida. It's backed up with twin motors. For those who love and believe this is the definition of reliability, these are Mercury's brand new 3.4 liter 200 horsepower V6s. They've got the torque to move you out, but they also have the fuel mileage to go wherever you want them to go. This boat is backed, you guys know, you see my videos, I love Boston Whalers rear seats. This one's got an amazing one. It is such a good place to tuck out of the weather, ride incredibly comfort, and just enjoy your boat ride. Of course, Boston Whaler gives you all the cup holders you need. They're all over these boats. They're next to the seats. They're on the prep table next to your 30-gallon live well in your fresh water. Boston Whaler gives you a Yeti cooler stuck underneath here, easy to pull out, super easy to access. And seats, they just do seats also. Incredibly comfortable to lay back and relax on a nice bluebird day like we have today. Pop them up and you can run 4 to 5s out to your favorite fishing grounds. And if you need a little help getting there, we'll do electronics on a dealer level. We can do Garmin, we can do Simrad, we can do Raymarine, and all of that we can make play with Mercury's digital controls, the power steering, your Lenco tabs, and of course, come on, trip wouldn't be complete without a stereo. Fusion's incredible head unit, they continue to take over the market, and we got quality components like JL speakers in this boat. Let's move forward and check out a couple more things it brings to the table. One of my favorite parts about this boat is the lounger in the front of this thing. It is incredible. It is so comfortable for 2 people. You've got solid stainless fold-down armrests. Of course, you've got cup holders. But this thing hides a treat that no other 27 brings to the table. Y'all, check this out. Right now, it's full of cushions, but what you don't see is rod storage. Of course, this is lockable storage, so locked rod storage, and it's literally deep enough you can stack 2 5-gallon pails on top of each other. And they finished this 27 Dauntless out with incredibly deep fish boxes. Despite having a rear lounger like so many boats in this class, it's a part of the lid. You don't actually lose some of your storage space. So that's a full-length box that goes from here all the way to the curve you see forward. You've got additional storage here. You've got the option of a windlass or a bow ladder. This particular boat has a windlass forward, table in the front, cup holders like I promised, guys. This is an incredible boat from Boston Whaler that defines the hybrid category. This is gonna do everything, keep you happy from a ride perspective to the kids' perspective and more. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. We'd love to talk to you a little more about this 27 Dauntless. We'll see you soon.